I found Path Scotland purely by chance. I was looking for an organisation that could help me. I had just graduated from university and I couldn't find the sort of employment that I needed to find. I phoned Path Scotland. They accepted me and they said I could come and see them. And once I started speaking to them and working with them, and I knew that I was in the right organisation, and this was the organisation that can really help me.
Their organisation helping ethnic groups, people to get involved in housing association career, and they're very helpful and genuine, and they're very practical with their training.
Without the support of Path, I think, number one, I wouldn't have got this promotion, and secondly, like my work-life balance would have been, still the same, would have been struggling, and also I wouldn't have been able to develop my leadership and management skills. I
wanted something better for myself, and once I came here, they were so open, they were so encouraging, and they sort of lighted you up. You felt like you can do it. So they're quite open. They communicate with you in a way that you feel that it is possible, and they're quite, they help you in every way. They give you all the information that you need. They try and help you in all the things that you need to be helped with. So it is really a good way of communicating.
2 or 3 people who are in our group, they've got new jobs recently as well, and this is due to this course. So I think it's very important if Path Scotland and other organisations like this run these kind of courses.
Been 3 things we've taken away from our engagement with Path. One is the reassurance that which we're doing is solid in law. 2, that which we're doing in an operational sense is delivering a fair agenda to everyone with whom we deal. And thirdly, it has allowed us an opportunity to take a step back and refresh our positioning, both in terms of communications to tenants, information provision to tenants, and also realising that there's a whole variety of people whose needs differ, and we need to reflect on that to ensure that we are treating everyone with due respect and due fairness and equality.
I think there was 6 sessions after this Developing Leadership and Management Skills course. Before I do anything, this coaching has made me question myself why anything I try to do, and I'll question myself why I'm doing this, how it's going to benefit me, how it's going to benefit the organisation, and why I'm doing it.
This support has been massive. I was just mentioning to a friend the other day how when I apply for a job, I just used to apply for a job, and I never knew exactly what to look for until I came to Path Scotland, and Tracy sat down with me, and I started learning about the specific things that employers are looking for and what to look for, how to apply for a job, or how to make my CV attractive. So such things, and building my confidence and my interview skills, and it has been really wonderful. It's been a really learning process for me on how to get a job and to be employable.
My employers, they can see my management skills have been improved, leadership, and also my task management and presentation skills as well.
I would certainly recommend many organisations to contact Path in circumstances where they're looking for support, consultancy, or whether or not they're wishing to engage in taking on trainee placements within their organisation. Path have got a proud and demonstrable track record of success, and I certainly would commend anyone to be contacting Najmi, the director of Path, and I'm very confident that anyone who has an engagement with Path will have a very positive experience.
I'm a completely different person now where I was before doing this course, so I'm very grateful to Path.
I think the help I got is very genuine. It's not just like, it's not just their job. I think because they do go out of their way to help me.
I'm doing a placement with North Glasgow Housing Association in Springburn, where I'm learning for the next 3 years, and I'm going to university. And this is the path that I want to take, and there's so much that I can do here, and I've got a really wide range of things that I can become, and if it wasn't for Path Scotland, this wouldn't have happened. So I really feel hopeful. I really look forward to the future, because I know there's something to look forward to. I've got a new career path. I've got new qualifications that I can apply in many places, so I really see a great future for me.